Before you came round, my heart would never beat much faster. Before you came round, I was ready.
What's up, you guys? It's Brandi MACK. I am back today with another video for you guys. This video is going to be an eyebrow tutorial. Yay! We're gonna get into it. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I achieve my perfect looking eyebrows. I'll show you guys the products that I use as well. I promise it's super easy, okay? All right, before we hop into the video, if you don't mind, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me, and yeah. All right, y'all, so the first thing that I like to do before I get into doing my eyebrows is shaping. I like to go in with my tweezers and tweeze away any stray hairs that may be lingering around and get those out of the way. Me, personally, I don't get my eyebrows waxed or threaded. I just simply tweeze when necessary. I do find it easier for me to keep my brows with the thickness they have by tweezing because, sometimes the waxing and threading doesn't always come out as desired. Whatever works best for you, do you, girl, okay? So after I tweeze my eyebrows, the next thing I want to do is go in with this brush. I use this end and I brush my eyebrows. I pretty much brush them up, down, and I brush up and down to my liking. And then the next thing I'll do is I'll go in with the brow pomade that I like to use, and that pomade is going to be the Anastasia Beverly Hills. It comes in this little jar, and this is going to be the Dipbrow pomade, and it's in the color Ebony for me. So you guys can get this at Sephora, Ulta, yeah. So I go in with that. It's pretty much gone. I have like 3 of these things, y'all, and they're like almost empty. So I pretty much just go in with the pomade, and I promise you guys it's gonna be super easy. It's like coloring. You just got to stay in the lines, okay? So what I'm doing is I'm using this tip and I am dabbing just a little bit on, and then just make sure I got everything how I want it again before I go in. And so I'll go in, and you guys, I'm going to pretty much just outline my brow here. And yeah. Whatever's left on the brush for the bottom outline, I just kind of blend in. Then I just get a little bit more. I'm telling you guys, it's really, it's a process, these eyebrows. Like, I've just kind of just mastered it, just doing it so much. But then I'll go in just a little bit. I don't go like overboard on the top. I just kind of brush it down. So, and I'll just outline the top part like that. Make it connect. Gotta make it connect, okay? And then I'll come back up as you see that I'm doing, just using the rest of the pomade that I have on the tip of the brush. These are gonna be gently, like super gently light strokes, okay?
Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow. We can go higher and higher.
so now that I have my eyebrow sculpted and outlined to my liking, the next thing that I'm going to do is go in with my concealer. I actually am using the Gellar concealer, and this is going to be in the color Deep. And this, I promise y'all, this is like my most favorite concealer that I can use, or that I use for outlining my eyebrows, because it's just like, it's like magic. Okay, wanting to dab just a little bit. You are not going to go all the way in, honey, okay? Because you're gonna be looking a hot mess. Okay, so this is about the amount that I'm going to use. It's not a lot. All right, so let's go ahead and conceal and get these eyebrows looking like something, okay?
I didn't wanna breathe out, and my soul beats a sound loud enough to quiet the thunder. In love with no doubt, and now I'm never gonna slow down. Never gonna slow down.
Alright y'all, so the last step after I've blended out the concealer is that I go in with my favorite, which is the Anastasia brow gel. This brow gel pretty much just helps hold everything in place. Y'all, I live for Anastasia Beverly Hills products. I mean, they are everything, okay? She did that when she made these products. Y'all should definitely try them out.
Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher.